So let's talk a little bit about where the knowledge about the chakras comes to us in the first place. The ancient monks and mystics of India, who were masters of the arts of meditation, began to go within themselves thousands and thousands of years ago. And they realized that they had within them an entire system of energy that was separate yet connected to their physical body. And through the process of these monks and mystics' constant meditation and inquiry, they determined that there were 7 major chakras within the body. These chakras are basically energy centers. And the word chakra is a Sanskrit term meaning spinning wheel. So if you can imagine like a spinning wheel of energy in each different part of your body corresponding to these 7 areas, these are like the major power centers of your life. And each one of them corresponds to a different aspect of who you are. So the root chakra at the base of your spine corresponds to your survival, corresponds to feeling safe in your physical body, corresponds to your energy levels and your work ethic and your desire to move. Your sacral chakra, the second one, centered right around your hips, corresponds to joy and pleasure and creativity and sexuality. And as we go through life, these chakras can become either blown open because we over-rely on their energy. An example of that is somebody who functions out of anger all the time. And if they're always angry, they're always going around almost looking for a fight, their root chakra is blown open. And they need to learn to dial it back into a healthy level. Or, for example, chakras can also become closed down. So the energy wheel stops spinning altogether for long periods of our lives. And it's really sad, but it's what happens to all of us as we go through life, is that we lose touch with certain parts of ourselves. So our hearts can become blocked and closed down. When we experience a heartbreak or we experience a painful rejection, we begin to close down that heart chakra because it hurts, because our hearts feel. And so when we do that, we begin to feel isolated from the world. We feel separate from everyone else. And so if you're going through life and you're noticing these attitudes that are beginning to take place in your life, what's happening is that these energy centers that are inside of you are opening and closing related to your life experience. And what you want is for all of them to be healthy, open, and clear so that you can have the life experience that you want, because everything is being determined by this subtle level of your energy. That when your heart is open, you attract people and situations into your life who respond, because we can all feel these energies naturally. And when your third chakra is empowered, and when you feel confident and you feel driven and you feel you have a high self-esteem, you naturally attract people to you who respect you, who like you, and who want to do business with you. But if this is closed down, people feel that. So we're all responding to these chakras and the health of these chakras all the time. So what we have to learn how to do is first understand what are the chakras, each one of the major 7. We have to learn how it works. We have to learn how to heal and balance it. And then we can go out into the world and begin to more intentionally create our lives, which is awesome. So to review, the chakra is a spinning wheel of energy. There are many different chakras that you have, but there are 7 major ones. They are centered all along your spine, and they can be too blown open, they can be healthy and balanced, or they can be blocked and closed. And throughout this course, we're going to be working on getting them all healthy and balanced, getting them in alignment so that you can have the life you deserve and create what you want to create in this amazing time that we have here on this planet.